Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2017 Jeep Cherokee Latitude 4-wheel drive, stock number B9464X. Only 4,000 miles on this Cherokee. Clean auto check history report. This was one of our courtesy vehicles, deep cherry red in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, along with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. Seats 5 with a cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. And of course, with only 4,000 miles, extremely clean inside and out. Backup camera for additional safety. Lots of cargo space in the rear, with additional underfloor storage. Body is free of dents or dings. This Latitude has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors. Easy to read gauges. Again, only 4,000 miles with driver information system, as well as customizable dash, all controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large 8.4-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices, heated seats as well as heated steering wheel, heating and air conditioning, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use, and that is of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices. Select terrain 4-wheel drive system, giving you the greatest capability no matter what the weather or the surface. 9-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability and lots of storage space in the armrest. Additional storage under the front passenger seat and a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Under the hood, this Cherokee has a 3.2-liter V6, 271 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 20 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 27 on the highway. Again, only 4,000 miles on those tires. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.